This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Check it out. So what you're looking at right here, $17,000 that I just earned in a couple of days using this unlimited free ad trick. Now, listen, let me warn you on something. This is not my ideal, okay? I'm a part of a community, and every week I pay about $10,000 per month to be a part of this community. And I asked them because they have some of the most free strategies to make money online, and I begged them if I can share it with you. So, listen, this is not my deal, so I'm not trying to take credit for it, but I'm going to show you what I did to make $17,000. And listen, you're getting ready to quit your job, okay? You're getting ready to drop out of school as well, because this is free traffic. Everybody, when they comment below, Wesley, how do I get traffic? How do I get traffic? Well, this is it, and I want to go right into it. But what I want you to do before you like this video, comment below, I can do this. You got to believe that this number right here, that you could actually one day see this deposited in your bank account. It's all about the mindset, folks. Yes, I'm going to show you the skill. Yes, you're going to watch very closely and pay close attention. But deep inside of you, you got to believe that you can do it, okay? Are you shaking your head? You probably got a big old head. Let's go. Listen, the first site you need to go to is sitelike.org. Now, listen, you can either do this with me or you can just watch it one time, then watch it again, right? Because a lot of people, stupid people, they fast forward and say, well, get to the point, because you're not patient. And patient people are broke. They're struggling. They have the job. They're going to school. And their life is miserable because they are not patient. Be patient, because I know you are. Smash the like button if you're determined to be a patient person. Go to sitelike.org, okay? And I want you to scroll down here. And here I want you to type in these words, quickad.org. If you don't mind, don't share this with anybody else, right? So basically, when I type in quickad.com, what you're going to see is about 70 to 100 sites that you can basically get ad space for basically free to bring in free money. And this is what I do. And not just that, once you keep watching, I'm going to give you the exact information, the exact post that I've done in the last 72 hours to make that couple of $1,000s you just seen before. Does that make sense? So listen, it's very simple here. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go to quickad.com and we're going to go to SimilarWeb. Okay, the reason why we want to go to SimilarWeb here, because at quickad.com, we want to know, is the site getting a lot of hits or views? Well, go here. SimilarWeb.com, you can go to any website on the internet, right? And you can see if they're getting traffic. And if you scroll down here, you'll see they're getting about, let me see here, 100,000 views every single month, right? That's insane. That's about 3,000 to 4,000 views every single day here. So that means that this is powerful and you can use it and you can make a ton of money if you follow up. So look, this is how you do it. Just pay attention. It's going to blow your mind here. Look, so you see you got people already doing this, feature ads, but let me show you what they're not doing. You want to scroll down here, okay, and you want to go to where it says marketing. So let me do a search. Let me find the word marketing here. See, look, you got network marketing, internet marketing, affiliate marketing. But what we're going to do is jobs. Why? Because people are always looking for jobs, right? And I'm going to show you a trick that's powerful so you'll start seeing some money in your bank account by using this trick here, okay? So we're going to post a free ad. You see that? It's free. And the great thing about quickad.com, not only if it's getting 100,000 visits every single month, this is free people going to the offer that I'm going to show you exact words. I'm going to give you the exact image to post. And just by doing that, people are going to click on autopilot and make money. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if that makes sense. If you truly believe that you can not only do this, but in the next 72 hours, you know that you can make a sale. Okay? Yeah, I'm talking to you. So click on United States because I'm in the United States. But as you can see here, it's worldwide. United States, Canada, Europe, Asia, Latin America, and Africa. All my African brothers and sisters, smash the like button. Let's go. United States here. As you know, I'm in Texas, but you could do this all over. You know what I did? I did an ad in every state, right? Because if I post an ad in every state, it's very likely that people, hundreds, if not thousands of people per day are going to engage. And that's how, honestly, this is why I made so much money here. That's $17,000 in 72 hours, okay? Which is insane. And I know what you're thinking, well, Wesley, but how did you make the money? Pay attention, okay? So we're going to go back here. So say if I'm from Texas here, we click on Texas, right? And let me see here. I'm from Houston. Where's H-Town? There we go. Okay. And then you're going to click and scroll down and click on job. That's important. Do not click on real estate. Don't click on service or make money. Jobs. Because people, they're programmed to get a job, right? So they're looking for a job. But you're going to see the trick. What we're going to do is going to cause you to make a ton of money here. So you're going to scroll down. Okay. Scroll down here. And what you want to do is you want to choose advertising and marketing, okay? And here we go, ads. So you're thinking right now, well, Wesley, okay, I like this. I'm going to smash the like button because it's making sense. But what do I put in the ad title? Let me tell you where I got to go first. Listen, pause. Once you go to clickbank.com, okay? Clickbank.com and get yourself an account, all right? If you're smart, you already have an account because you've already seen my last videos. If not, just watch my videos about ClickBank, and I'll show you how to get a free account very quickly here, okay? Are you guys with me? Smash the like button if you're with me here, okay? Give me a second. I got to get my charger. I know that's unprofessional, but that's why you love me, right? Look, okay, so you're going to go to clickbank.com, and we're going to click on Marketplace. Now, listen, smash the like button if you're trying to make a lot of money, okay? If you're not, then you're watching the wrong video here. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in John Crestani because I already know the offer that already works, and I already know the one that's going to pay the most money, okay? So if you go here, John Crestani, he's a friend of mine. He pays almost $700 per sale. So every time you recommend his product, when somebody buy it on autopilot, based off the ad that you're going to create, you get paid. Click on promote. Make sure you get your affiliate ID. Put your account nickname here. Generate hot links. And by the way, if you want to get 90% commission or more, just email him and say, hey, Wesley Virgin told me to email you. I know him personally. And he said to bump me to 75%. And then do this. In the comments, when you email him, put, let's go! Because John always screams at me every single time I see him, when I see him around the world. So you want to click on this link that says affiliate page here. Very simple. We're almost done. Facebook ads or YouTube ads. I'm going to click on Facebook ads here. Click on that button. If you scroll down here, this is what you're going to post. The great thing about John, he gives you everything that you need to basically make money, okay? And like I said, these sites are free traffic sites here. See this? So these are the Facebook ad videos. If we keep scrolling down a little bit more, okay? So you see these images right here? So exactly what you see here, listen. Exactly what you see here is what you're going to put over here in your post. Okay? Make sense? You can put marketing position like this. $1,000 per day. No sales needed. Because you're not going to sell anything, right? Smash the like button if you hate to sell, right? You don't have to sell nothing, right? Not at all. Because John's going to do it for you, okay? So look, marketing position, right? $1,000 per day. No sales needed. Everybody's going to engage in that. But listen, let me show you something. Let me show you another trick here. So what you want to do here is go back, right, to here. And let's do a screenshot of John Crestani's big old head here, right? Mr. John Crestani here. And then you want to go back and you want to add an image here, okay? Now, they said type or paste the URL. So what we need to do is this. Now, pay attention. This is a little tricky, but follow along. If you go back here, right-click there with your Mac, and where it says copy image address, copy that. Go back here, right here, okay? And bam, it pops up. Look, this is the image that thousands of people are going to see every single day on quickad.com, right? Now, what do you have to do next? Stay with me. Comment below and tell me what you got to do next. Okay? Well, duh, you have to link it, right? You want to click on that image and you need to add a link. Which link do you put here, big head? Duh, your affiliate link, right? So we click promote now. If we scroll down, generate hop links here. It's down below. We copy and paste that, okay? And then we go back here and boom, bada bing, bada bing, right? We hit okay. So what's happening is every time someone sees this and clicks it, it's going to go to John's funnel, which means is when they buy, and more likely they will, you get paid over and over again. Listen, if you got one sale per day, that's $700 a day. That's $21,000 a month. Now listen, if you're anything like me, you fill out this information here, your email address here, okay? Start date. And like I said, all this stuff is optional and it's free. If you're anything like me, you want to make a ton of money, right? Smash the like button if you want to make a ton of money. Look, you have over 74 sites right here. You can do exactly what I showed you. You need no skill. You need no experience. All you need to do is listen to Wesley Virgin, follow exactly what I did, what I just showed you in the video, post to all these different sites that are free, and if you get a minimum of one sale with the product I just showed you, that's $21,000 a month. Can I get a let's go? Smash the like button if you think you can do this. Smash the like button if you got any value. Sub to the channel. Listen, every day I'm giving you videos just like this because I'm in the trenches finding more ways, not to just to use myself, but to help you make money online. Now listen, what if there's a way, if you have a software too, that allow you to do all what I just showed you on autopilot, right? And I mean just click the ad and you make money. What if it was possible? In the description below. And listen, you ain't got to get it. I'm using it and I'm banking. I'm just making it available to anybody that's tired of the 9-to-5 grind. Maybe they're a little bit older. They need some software automation process. I'm doing exactly what Elon Musk is doing. I'm doing exactly what Jeff Bezos is doing to make a ton of money. So listen, if you look under this video right now, there's a software. You'll see the first link. It's not my software. It's a software I'm using from this other guy, and it automates this entire process. You have to set it up, but once you click it, we're talking about $20, $30, $50 every 5 minutes. It's crazy, right? It's in the link below. Remember something. Before you go and click the link in the bio, remember, in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. Picture a better life, you'll get a better life. So in the link below, in the description, click it. I love you. Let's go. Later.